Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, in today's episode will be really quick explanation of what can you do when you run out of Xbox Series X HDMI ports. So, you might be wondering what other ports can you use. Actually, you can use from Series S, but you need to be careful. You need to remove top and bottom metals. I'll show you on the pictures. Let us switch to this. That will be a really short video today. Look, you see this top and bottom? Yes, top and bottom. If you're gonna remove them, I remove them usually with a pliers. Well, I didn't do it like a lot of times. Yes, I do it only several times, and it was fine. And once you remove these two, the bottom and the top, you're okay, guys. What is happening is when you wobble it front and back, you can grab this one and then this one and this one with your pliers, like a big robust pliers. I'll show you my ones which I'm using for that. You can use smaller ones as well, but it will be less convenient and it's better leverage. Yes, you know, red, you know, like why not, you know, like why not, and black, you know, black, you know, like why not. So yeah, back to normality. What I want to say is these ones are quite robust, so you can just use it. Don't do like that because you might struggle, but do, you know, do like that. Yes, as I showed you, this and wobble it this way. If you will crimp it, then you can take it and then it will become loose. Yes, you can then maneuver it more often and then it will break. When you break the top and the bottom, you are able to put it. I never try to put this port with those sides, and I wouldn't risk it. I just never tried. Maybe somebody can correct me down in the comments below. Maybe we can do it, but from my experience, I've learned it myself. I haven't seen it on any YouTube channel or anything. I just tried. When customer came and I thought it was way back because I had it yesterday. I remind myself about it that I never record a video about it. So I said the video for today will be about this port. Just literally taking port from Series S, wobble it, remove top, remove bottom, and it's ready to go on Series X. So that's it. For those who don't know, in Series X we've got as well laser, the same which you've got in 1540 model, which is Xbox One. Yes, old Xbox One. So, you know, it's worth knowing those things, because if you know, you know, and when you struggle, maybe you will have Series S port. You might be just lucky to have Series S port, and guess what? You will help the customer. Yes. So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. That's literally all I wanted to show you. The knowledge worth spreading, because you never know, you might need it. Thank you. If possible, leave us some like button or subscribe if you did. Here's to you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.